Is for all the students who fear data interpretation, sir. Such an easy topic, unnecessarily people will fear. Please take this question. This is not my question. He took this question from one of the books. 64% of 261. Options. 184.66. He is doing some calculation. He said, sir, generally I saw a lot of videos which talks about 10%, 20%, 30%. Now, right, I want to know and everything. He is from RV College of Engineering. Sister is from MES Degree College. 72% of 486. If any student is multiplying, please do not quit this class. I am not interested in teaching that methods to you. Now, if this question is given to me, probably I will take 10 seconds to solve. Why? Because what is 72 digital sum? It is 9. 9 into any number. 9 into any number digital sum is 9. 261. What is the digital sum? 9. 9 into any number. What is the digital sum? 9. What is 9 minus 9? 0. Answer should be either a multiple of 9 or digital sum 9. First of all, what is these options, sir? These eliminated. That's a stupid option. Why? Because what is 2 6 are 12. Unit digit in the first numerical values is 2. What is 4 ones are 4. 2 is subtracted from 4. Take a 10 carry. 12 minus 4 should be 8. Unit digit should be 8. First is eliminated. Third is eliminated. Now if you see 8 plus 8, 16, 18, 26, 27. What is 2 plus 7? 9. Answer digital sum can be 9 or answer digital sum, if you delete the digits, either it should be 9 or it is perfectly divisible.